All right, language explorers, let's look. What happened here? Let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So appropriate. Appropriate. Something relevant and applicable to people, places, or technology. Something that needs to be where it is. It is applicable. It's appropriate. The appropriate thing to use is glue. The appropriate thing to use is glue. Yeah, is glue here. Yeah, we need to use glue. Yeah. It is the appropriate time to leave. Not any time. Not time, but the appropriate time. The correct time. We need to leave now. Oh, perfect. This is the appropriate time to go. This is the appropriate lesson to learn. Not just any lesson, but the appropriate one, the correct one that needs to be learnt now. Why are the appropriate products all sold out? Where are they? They're all gone. They've been sold. We need to get more appropriate products for sale. We need to get more appropriate products to sell. So I am appropriate. Yeah, you are appropriate. Oh, hold on. Yeah. It is appropriate. He is appropriate. They are appropriate. They are appropriate. He is appropriate, yeah. You, I, they are, it is, he is, she is appropriate. Appropriate, yeah. So I am the appropriate person for the job. I am the appropriate person for the job. Yeah. Very good. You are not the appropriate person to teach, for example. No. Yeah. They are the appropriate. They are the appropriate team to handle this. They are the appropriate people. Yeah. So we could say they are the appropriate people to handle this. People being uncountable. Very good. Okay. So then we could say it is the appropriate time. It is the appropriate tool for the job. I need the right tool for this. It is, glue is the appropriate thing we need. Yeah, appropriate. Yeah, how cool is that? And she is the appropriate person to teach me. She is the appropriate person to teach me. Yes. How cool is that? So that was the best and most appropriate time to do it. Not just any time, that was the best and appropriate time to do it. Yeah. We struggled to find the appropriate time, but we found it in the end. We're building the appropriate technology, the right kind of technology for the next revolution. This is the appropriate technology. How cool is that? The most appropriate man for the job was him. Yeah. We are going to the most appropriate place for this time of the year. We're going to the most appropriate place for the party. Yeah. That is the most appropriate venue to host it. That will be the most appropriate place to host the event. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, nowhere else but that place. Yeah, how cool is that? So, I am appropriate. You are appropriate. They are appropriate. It is appropriate. He is appropriate. She is appropriate. How cool is that? Now, appropriate. Can you use appropriate in a sentence below? Can you comment it in the comments section? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just look for Adrian Nanshev. Yeah. Oh, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.